Hello, I said I greet you now. How would I take it? I am Onowibo. Now, if I'm it's just for Andy Uba. You are the reason I came. Alright. Andy Uba, today you are now APC member. APC. You are no longer a PDP member or okay? All you want now is to become the state governor. Alright. You want to be the state governor because you are now the sent. Or give a boy the Messiah to save Anambra State. Okay? When you have not even considered coming out publicly, a sincere apology for what happened. Since this current government, Kenya civilian rule, since 99, for Fourth Republic, okay. I know Afagi until 2007, fraudulently, Ebanye as governor, 2007, okay, gina Yaradua family, you know, under PDP then. PDP ne no se fe propaganda kita APC. You know what is called? This is called party prostitution. Or you'd say political prostitute. That's what it is. You want to be no see any Chinwo Kembadinuju, of course, if any nemeloga with your brother, Eselo, or your name Anambra State, we cannot be fools forever. I am the king of your nation. Oh, Yanabago, Ezumu. I might know if any how you want to take Anambra State higher. Abga is no longer relevant, this and that. Let me teach you what is politics. If you have your people at heart, if you were saying, you must intend to go as apology to anybody, if any man, I need the guy who make again or guy who make ABS. The only source in the Anambra you and another news. Your family be far on still the baby I am one. Because of some idiots. Then I do a campaign face to labor. For now, you are a handsome man yourself, no doubt. Manaka the mama. But what count abro my ruga? I actually have if you know be. Anambra State abro there as English. Able doctor, each degree. No. Nobody in Anambra na full degree. I am a reform. On a with them, some people that for an agro as an illiterate. Oh, yeah, na only illiterate, but illiterate. If he just training, Kiga na school, he train with a certificate in a area of man at that. If he just millionaires in a phone on his own degree. I don't want to get standing. Only to your contact, if you 2006 contact. Okay, you know, Pasanja and make you fair. You tip ya go Nanya, you, Manananya, and you can even. I'll catch a neighbor contact to us. Now, my brother, Obi Kubana, flag yana for good. Or one who because I forgot some people testify here. This guy helped me. This guy helped me. This guy helped me. Oh, yeah, I'm a fembo. Can I female? Ono and ABS. No apologies so far. Can I be able to get Anambra? Oh, well, don't look over us. The campaign, I like when I tag ego. William, oh, if no chop. You just want everybody to remain there. So unfortunate that you forgot. In your kingdom, I am waiting in auto. Yes. Kelvin, I got unemployment. We don't need your employment. We all can employ ourselves. We know how we survive. Don't use employment as if it's a campaign. Even in our back, come Bochi. I will be figure my go look at good. Yet, you go look at Kuloda. Anambra State. Nangiwa, apply Anambra. Rapia. Look at the deputy governor, nonsense. With defector, dying minute, just a month to the election. Owapo, Owachawokanka, Owapo, Obugonye, APC. Makeba APC go sent. Obajegodia. Manofa Peter Palapuka. Obuni Fediman the Madriam, why no proceeds? You know, see the first time. The first 4 years, you know, no, he didn't get few months ka unu pụa ịgbapụ fonye nke abụgodo bụ achawo etu a ka ọ dị ọ ndị Anambra ka unu ji agbapụ ọnụ na egwube egwu olugo oge a ga unu ncha binye unu eje regista si afọ ọnụ with federal government or federal ministry of ndị na-achị achị ka ọ ga-abụ oge a lue akpọ ga afa gị je banye di ya we don't need elections. You guys are disturbing disturb our activities. Can you even an election? Or a boy win nachi? Onye win nachi? If a opposition party, or the ruling party had a more from una be na parliament they discuss on ya. If contrast in area, even with the idea to discredit the party, can we for that na party and area? It shows him when your people at heart. You don't keep quiet. Okay, just me for okay. Oh, just don't forget, in a way, he's a bull advisor to Obasanjo on Ife Wambon. Nekeno Nijenye example. A man amalo for brutality. A man never wrote Obindiwo. The very wicked kind of people have. You must before Melumune, you don't care as long as they're on a cabinet. Apple gave you an all. Apple Sigundios or so go one miserable man. You were walking in. Oh, my buying a talking free female. Ndị na-emekele na forward na na-atụsi onye ọbụla na-atụsi onye ọbụla certificate ọ dị ka ya akpọ ne ka ya rapụ ụmụnna ya nwesị companies ama afịa kedu oge ibeto onwe choda kedu ebe anya na-akọ ke nke a ga-akọ ke nke a ga-arapụ kedu ebe love about Anambra kedu ebe enye na Anambra afọ aka anyị must you be a governor before you show to the people that you care ọ bụrụ if you care for the people a ga na-afụ the example n'ije na village dị na sometime year nwa dedozielu ụzọ ọ ndị obodo a ga-asị hey mba na onye a na anyị ṅụrụ iyi na mbosi ọbụla ọ ga-apụta na anyị ga-atụnyere ya akwụkwọ ude ga na-ede. It's not about money, it's about conscience. Search your heart, search your soul. Ebe anyị but you truly qualified echi Anambra state. Ị ga-emewu ife dị na Anambra. Ime ife dị na Anambra abụrụ ide eje executive meeting. Can you reach to your people? It is the local government. The government did away from us in some time. Even when we have local government elections, still, all of the politicians, they book even from us. We are not access to good road. And not access to water. Our market, daily markets in the village, some of our villagers are hospital, general hospital, because we get the functioning. So many things. Can you even I make a discredit Abuga, Kobono, APC. Owelofonia APC government since Buhari Banyalodia, Bamofonia convict go. Tuonyanga. Pokenafia. We have not seen any. You are all saints. This is the same thing in Anambra State, APC. Well, Msuwadro, and Kenemenimo State, Bunyamalo fought. Today is the governor. So it doesn't matter. Mada Papuna Anambra. Mada Wapanyama. Omono Ngwaka. Say, Welota. Bonya resort. No Gigaba. If I put a vote at that account, or come on, I will disturb and the mother. Who disturbs that? I just not best than pure water on now. You have even ballet. You don't go out, but not educated. You come into the street to drink pure water to get join cholera. I want to go used to cholera now every day. I'm a senior. Don't enter there. No, with those policemen, you know, a tinted SUV. Stay there. Don't enter keke to avoid the kuchigo. You get one accident. You don't care. How many times gas port to some hospitals? You didn't release gas to some people. Humanitarian job are far from you. Rabia about class America. Anambra is not America. Don't come and disturb our peace. Now I represent your nation. Thank you very much. How come I get one Anambra meeting? Before. Sorry. Can we keep on? Because it was the TV station I can get one lady. Yes, maybe Syria. Oh, they kidnap Zingigamba. Blue whole governor. Your whole governor. Can I quite fair? You poor governor, one year money. If he gave you, I live, he gave one Anambra, whatever, engage. Oh, you poor, even got go. Oh, you poor, and the DSS and all. ị na-apụta ụla n'ụtụ ifugodu ndị iwe na-ewesi onye agụrụsie ya ịgbago na ị na-idoro kasị ụba blak ma ịkpọ famili gwa ya ọra ji anụ ka anyị baa moto ebe a ka ị ga-abịa ebe anyị ọ gaghị na kpụla biko ka mụ azụ ike anya gbazuo odorime m ewu iyo ka ekọnọmi ibe dị mma na shọọ